Exercise 3.1, question number 1. If the sides of the cubic box are increased by 1, 2, 3, units respectively to form a cuboid, then the volume is increased by 52 cubic units. Find the volume of the cuboid. First, let's take one cube. This is a cube. I think the cube side is what? X. This is also X. All are what? X, X, X. So what is given? One cubic box is given. I am increasing the sides. X is increased by 1. This X is increased by 2. This X is increased by 3. I get what? Cuboid. I want to find the volume of the cuboid. First is the solution. Let X be the side of the cube. So we know that volume of the cube is equal to what? X into X, X cube, cubic units. Now I am increasing the sides. This volume is increased by 52 cubic units. Suppose I am increasing all these sides, I will get what? Cuboid. So X is increased by, so we got volume of the cuboid. Volume of the cuboid is L into B into H. Clear? So L into B into H, cubic units. So in general, L is equal to first side. This is increased by what? 1 unit. So X plus 1. And this is increased by what? 2 units. That is what? X plus 2. The third one is increased by 3 units. So X plus 3. That value is equal to. Suppose I increase the sides, the cube volume is increased by 52 cubic units. This cube volume is what? X cube. This is increased by 52 cubic units, so 52. Clear? As a simple multiplication, I want to find the value of this alone. This is the volume of the cuboid. I want to find the value of this. First, I want to find the value of x. Clear? X plus 1 is fixed. Just multiply. X into x is x square. X into 3 is what? 3x. 2 into x is what? 2x. Plus 3 2s are 6. That is equal to x cube plus 52. This is x plus 1 is fixed into what? X square plus 3 plus 3x plus 2x is 5x plus 6. That is equal to x cube plus 52. Just multiply. X into x square is x cube. X into 5x is 5x square. X into 6 is what? 6x. Multiply by 1 times something is what? X square plus 5x plus 6. That is equal to x cube plus 52. Here x cube cancel. Plus time on that side minus. So remaining is what? 5x square plus x square is 6x square. Next is 6x plus 5x. 11x. Next is plus 6 plus 52 comes that side minus 52. The value is equal to 0. Clear? Next is 52 minus 6. 52 minus 6, that is equal to what? 46 minus 46. So this is 6x square plus 11x minus 46 is equal to 0. It's a quadratic equations. We need to factorize. Clear? How to factorize? One is formula method. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by what? 2a. Another one is splitting the middle term. This is what? 6 into minus 46. Minus 46 into 6. Minus 46 into 6. 6 6 are 36. Remaining is 3. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. This is negative. So minus 276. Clear? This is what? Multiple value. Addition value is what? 11. So what will come? 276 divided by 2 table. What will come? 1 2s are 3 2s are what? 6. Remaining is 1. So 8. Again 2 table. 6 2s are 12. Remaining is 1. 9 2s are. Then 3 table. What will come? 23. 23 is a prime number. So 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are what? 12. So 12 into 23. Clear? So 12 into 23 is 276, sir. But I want plus 11. So this is positive. This must be what? Negative. Some simple. Coefficient of x square is what? 6, sir. So divided by 6 here. Here also what? 6, sir. So this is cancelled. What will come? Minus 2 will come. This we can cancel. So 23 by 6, sir. By what? 1. So division 1. So 1x. Then what? Minus 2. Into, here this is what? 6 is of 6x, sir. Plus 23 is equal to 0, which implies product value 0 means either x minus 2 is equal to 0 or 6x plus 23 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2 or 6x is equal to minus 23, x is equal to minus 23 by 6. This is not possible. Why this is not possible? X value is negative, sides may not be negative. So x is equal to what? 2. So x value is 2. But question is, find the volume of the cuboid. So what is the volume of the cuboid? This is the volume of the cuboid. Tell it to be the total value for x cube plus 52. I want to find volume of the cuboid. Clear? So this is the answer. Volume of the cuboid is equal to x cube plus 52 cubic units. X value is 2. So 2 cube plus 52. 2 cube plus 52. 2 cube value is 8. 8 plus 52, that is equal to 60 cubic units. This is the answer. Clear?